Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel GAMAARZ. Today, we have an exciting product review for you: dual batteries and amp, rapid charger certainly. Here's a script for a YouTube video review focusing on a set of dual batteries and a rapid charger, ideal for tech enthusiasts or professionals who rely on high-powered equipment. The script aims to provide a detailed examination of the product's features, performance, and overall value. Hey tech lovers! Today, we're diving into a game-changing charging solution, a set of dual batteries and a rapid charger. Let's see how this combo stands up to the demands of high-powered gadgets. Voiceover: in a world where tech devices are central to our daily lives, having a reliable and fast charging solution is crucial. This set promises efficiency, durability, and speed. Show the product in its packaging. Host: on camera, right out of the box, the build quality catches your eye. The batteries feel robust, and the charger has a sleek, modern design. Included in the box are the dual batteries, rapid charger, and a user manual. Voiceover: the batteries are designed with a durable casing, and the charger sports a compact, travel-friendly design. Its LED indicators and intuitive layout make it user-friendly, even for tech novices. Each battery boasts an impressive capacity suitable for high-drain devices. They're equipped with advanced circuitry to prevent overcharging and overheating. Now, let's put this rapid charger to the test. We'll time how quickly it charges these batteries from 0 to full. The rapid charger lives up to its name. It charges the batteries significantly faster than standard chargers. In our test, it took just under 2 hours to fully charge both batteries, which is impressive. An added bonus is the charger's compatibility with multiple battery types, making it a versatile addition to any tech kit. It's perfect for photographers, videographers, and anyone who relies on portable power. Safety is a key aspect. The charger and batteries have built-in protections against short-circuiting, overcharging, and overheating. The compact size of the charger makes it ideal for travel. It's lightweight, and the dual-slot design doesn't take up much space. For on-the-go professionals, this is a big advantage. Considering the fast charging speeds, high battery capacity, and safety features, the price point offers good value for money. Host: on camera, it's an investment for those who need reliable, quick charging for their devices. All in all, this set of dual batteries and rapid charger is a win for anyone looking to power their devices efficiently and safely. Thanks for tuning into our review. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews. Stay powered up. This script thoroughly examines the dual batteries and rapid charger, making it ideal for an audience that values in-depth tech reviews. The structured progression from unboxing to performance testing ensures a comprehensive evaluation.